In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a poll on Telegram. So if you're a Telegram addict or you have some followers or fans on Telegram and you want to seek their opinion, it is best to use poll. So here you will learn how to create or make a poll on Telegram app. If at the end of this video you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to do a poll on Telegram is open the Telegram application. It could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Just open this, then click on your Telegram channel like this. Now click on this paper icon, then on the page scroll left and select poll. Then you should see the option to create a poll. Come here and ask a question. Let's say poll. Then option A, let's say yes. Then to add another option, click on add an option and say no. Then you can still add another option. Then let's say no poll. You can see you have the option to create up to 10 options when you're creating a poll on Telegram. Then come down to settings, then disable multiple answers so that one participant can only answer once. And then we want to put this in quiz mode. Then you may also disable anonymous voting. If you like anonymous voting, we hide all voters. Then once you are done creating the poll, click on the create button at top right. Then there you go. You should see the poll here on your Telegram page. If I go ahead and tap yes, then you can see I have the yes button checked. However, if I check view result, I can only see I'm the only voter here. You can see one vote. Then if other votes on this page, you'll be able to see your Telegram poll on the page. So this is how to create a Telegram poll. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.